Hello, this is Dilantha from Beat Billions, and we are looking at Chesapeake Energy today. Yesterday, the stock price declined drastically from about $70 a share to close the day at around $23 a share. And it's no secret that a Bloomberg article published the previous night was the reason behind this decline. In that article, Bloomberg analyst claimed that Chesapeake might file for bankruptcy protection as soon as the 15th of June. Now we need to figure out why, because according to company filings, the company is scheduled to make an interest payment of around $3.5 million on 15th of June. But if you look at the financials of the company, you can see Chesapeake Energy had about $82 million in cash at the end of the first quarter. So the company can easily make this payment due on the 15th of June. But the real reason why Chesapeake might want to file for bankruptcy protection is because the company is scheduled to pay even more payment to debt holders in the coming few months through the next February. Chesapeake Energy is scheduled to pay about $420 million to its debt holders, and that's not all. Chesapeake Energy plans to spend about $1.3 billion to $1.6 billion in capital investments this year alone, and the company is highly unlikely to cover these payments from operating cash flows because of the significant reduction in business activities over the last couple of months. So the real question is, will Chesapeake Energy stock go to zero? No, we do not believe that would happen anytime soon. Why? Because Chesapeake Energy, even if the company files for bankruptcy protection, will have about a few months time and even up to an year to file the reorganization plan. And that is when the stock would go to zero according to our past experience, because the reorganization committee usually cancels the existing shares and issues new shares to debt holders of the company. So that is when the stock could go to zero. But we highly recommend you staying off of Chesapeake Energy and distancing as much as you can from this troubled company, because the stock price performance in the next couple of weeks is not going to be really good for investors. And yesterday we actually published an article on this on Seeking Alpha as well. You can find the link to that article in the description to this video, and make sure to subscribe Beat Billions and stay tuned to what is happening in US markets. Thank you for watching the video.